Are you tired of LLMs getting your brand story wrong? Learn how to take control of your brand narrative in under 3 minutes. Here's the exact Semrush workflow to monitor and influence how AI models perceive your brand. Follow these 8 steps. Go to Semrush folders to take control of your data. Click on the highlighted area. Click on the next highlight. Click on the following highlight. Click on See which media to pitch to break into LLMs. Click on Start Free 7-Day Trial. Click on Subscribing to. Click on Try it now to get started. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.